On Wednesday, a little past 6 p.m., Mamata Banerjee alleged an attack on her. But 2 days later, the report submitted by West Bengal government to the Election Commission has raised questions. Interestingly, the report submitted to the poll panel by Mamata administration makes no mention of attack by 4 to 5 people, a contradiction to TMC claim that it was a BJP conspiracy.
There is a nexus between the incident in which Mamata Banerjee was hurt with the tweets and messages from Dilip Ghosh, BJP president, and some some BJP MP, and also the Prime Minister.
The report states that there is no clear footage available and the only CCTV in the area is dysfunctional. Because the closest we could get to the truth is this video of moments before and after the attack. The report also mentions a mix-up of witness statements.
ভিড়ের ফলে ওই পিলার দুটো যে পাশে আছে ড্রাইভারের মানে দৃষ্টির বাইরে গেছে পাশে ওই গেটটা খুলেছে গেটটা খোলার ফলে ওই ওই লোহার পোস্টগুলোতে ধাক্কা লেগে ব্যাক করেছে গেটটা ব্যাক করে ওনার গায়ে ওই যে বেরোবার জন্য এ করছিল প্রস্তুতি নিয়েছিল তো পাটা বেরিয়েছে পাতে নিচটা লেগেছে আর উপরটা ব্যাক করে এই ঘন্টে দিয়ে রেখেছে কালভার্টে লেগেছে
The poll panel is not happy with the sketchy details submitted by Bengal government. And the war of words continues.
To immediately allege that this was a conspiracy, it was an attack, even when there were eyewitnesses or other independent accounts pointing towards the possibility of an accident, that had to be borne in mind. And now that this report has gone across to the Honorable Election Commission, I'm sure the truth will finally come out.
With the Bengal government report too not giving a clear picture, the mystery over Nandigram incident continues. Bureau Report, Republic TV.
Okay, continuing with the debate with Dr. Nikhil Prasoon of the BJP, Pathikrit Pen, Shantanu Gupta, Mamata Kale, Suparna Maitra, Anirban, Namrata and Rupam. Okay, I want to ask Suparna Maitra of his party's official stand on this matter. As Suparna, the West Bengal government report, which we believe has been submitted by the state chief electoral officer, says that there is no mention of any 4 or 5 attackers. In fact, we have details of that report, and the chief secretary's report has also been submitted, and we understand the election commission has asked for a more detailed report, calling this one sketchy. But none of these, nowhere in this is there a mention of an attack of 4 or 5 people. So, does your party stand by that claim that that this is a deliberate conspiracy?
I would set things in order. Let me clarify the party position. If you have seen our party position, we have said that we expect the Election Commission and the state administration to be more vigilant so that there are no recurrences of such an incident. 1. 2. The Honorable Chief Minister and the Supremo of the Trinamool Congress, Madam Mamata Banerjee, has never blamed any political party for such an incident. She has said that there was an attack. Now we really don't have information on that, so we would want a detailed investigation to be done on that. 3. We have also heard the BJP local leadership of Bengal using words like faking an injury, theatrics, dramatics. And it did not stop there.
Yeah, they even called it
the Union
Nautanki.
Minister
They
of
even called it
Railways,
Nautanki, I
Shri
believe. I believe a
Piyush
few
Goyal
parties,
ji-
including the Congress, called it Nautanki.
Yes,
if I'm not wrong.
I thought since it's an English program, I'll not use that word. But since you have used that, I would say yes. So Sri Piyush Goyal ji also is on record saying that since Mamata Banerjee is completely baffled and a loss is staring TMC on its face, Mamata Banerjee had to resort to such cheap gimmickry. I think this sort of unwarranted comments could have been avoided. We see a lot of climb down on the BJP's part also now, because they also
Is there a climb
want
down from the BJP?
investigation
What's the
to take
climb down?
place and the report to be out on public domain.
What was the climb
The
down?
main thing. No.
Are you asking me, sir?
You have to dissect the whole episode.
The
You have
climb
to
down
dissect
is the
the whole
complete change in
episode.
stars.
Now, this
Initially, they were
episode-
talking about faking an injury. They were talking about theatrics. They are talking about dramatics. Today, they are not talking about that. Today,
No, I
they
think they're still
completely
talking about
changed
that. We had
the
several
Look, the
spokespersons.
commotion around the
No, I
injury.
can tell you from the newsroom.
Injuries could be
Listen,
real.
the newsroom,
they
The
got
injuries
several
could be
comments.
real.
I don't think they're toning down.
And the commotion around the injury is indicative of the fact that there was a deliberate attempt to change the narrative.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Let me respond to that.
Go ahead. Suparna's making a point. Yeah, Suparna,
Sir-
what's your point?
Yeah, no.
Sir? Yes. Yeah. So the point is, BJP themselves realized that maybe they have done something which possibly they shouldn't have done, and they realized their mistake, and now they are saying that yes, we have always said it could have been an accident. We wish her well. We
Really?
want the report to
Is
be
that your
out on
party
public
stand?
domain, so there was a chance. So
We have
from
been wishing
dramatics,
her
from
well
dramatics,
right from the
from dramatics,
first day. There
theatrics
is no
to
point.
now the truth being coming out.
No.
So I think
I would like to
No, who's taking a...
refute each and every word of the honorable spokesperson now. Let me respond to this, Mr. Niranjan. Now, this particular episode needs to be dissected and it needs to be analyzed in its totality. What happened on that particular day? It could be an accident, it could be a part of conspiracy, as has been mentioned by the Trinamool people. Now, it needs to be thoroughly investigated. Now, BJP, from the word go, has been asking for a fair and free investigation on the part of EC for that matter. Now, what happened later on? A series of innocuous tweets by our leaders, as well as, innocuous political sarcasm by the Honorable Prime Minister, was something that was remotely associated or insinuated in some way or the other. Now, even to think this is so unimaginably bizarre, even to construe a little bit that this particular thing has led to that. Now, as a part of that, we have to give our response to that particular thing. The injury could be real, but the commotion and the politics around the injury that was played out is something which is
I can tell you, Suparna, I can tell you one thing, that when that video came, when we accessed that video, when we accessed that video, I can tell you...
now they are playing with the intelligence of West Bengal people.
No, my question is, when we saw the video...
People of West Bengal, they are sensitive. they are sensitive.
Prasun, when we saw the video, there's one thing
yes, I would like
that
to
came
conclude.
through, right? One, there was a crowd. Yes, there was a crowd. Two, the Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, was... The car door was open. She was campaigning and she was waving to the crowds. She was greeting the crowds with a hand, and she was standing over the door, right? So that was clear, and at one point there is commotion, and then the camera frame changes, people are running helter-skelter. You don't really know what really happened there. And at that point you can hear people in the background saying that she was injured and that there was some sort of an impact. Now we don't know what caused the impact, right? It's as simple as that. But my only question was, were parties jumping the gun? Anirban, did parties jump the gun? Anirban can debate this with Mamta Kale. Did parties jump the gun? Simple. Did parties jump the gun?
No, I don't think. No. There was nothing about jumping the gun or anything. The injury.
4 to 5 attackers. Injury. No. Nobody's questioning the injury, Anirban.
The eminent doctors of Kolkata.
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Nobody's questioning the injury, Anirban.
Yes, there was a severe injury.
Nobody's questioning the injury. Yeah.
No, many did. Many of the BJP. No, many of the BJP leaders did. Even unfortunately, Mr. Adhir Chaudhary called it a nautanki. I mean, the injury cannot be a drama, right? She really broke her leg. She really injured her ligament. There were multiple injuries all over her body. A 65-year-old woman was lying in bed, writhing in pain, and these BJP leaders were calling it a drama. They were ridiculing her, and all these things did happen. This is a reality. And now, regarding the attack, now just wait for a moment and think about it. That a woman, she's inside a car, she's waving at a crowd, which was a huge crowd, and suddenly the door slams on her. What is she supposed to think? And regarding this pillar theory, the Trinamool Congress has released a video where it has showed the car in its full view, and there's not a single scratch on the left-hand door of the car, the front door. Mr. Firhad Hakim was actually showing it to the media personals. There's not a single scratch. Now tell me, if it hits an iron pillar and rebounds back to hurt somebody so badly, will there not be a single scratch? So there are multiple questions. And at the moment when a 65-year-old lady is getting so severely injured, you cannot blame her for thinking that actually somebody did attack her.
No, Mamta is responding
to look out for a pillar. That is not her job. It was the job of the security personnel who are controlled by the election commission.
Very patiently.
The
Now
election commission failed their duty.
Let me
In fact, even the election commission has called it sketchy. By the way, just FYI, and Mamta, you can respond. Even the election commission has called the report sketchy. The state government report, it has called it sketchy because even the state government, has not been able to find any evidence as far as the attack claim is concerned. Yeah, Mamta.
FIR. Absolutely. Thank you, Niranjan. First of all, my get well soon wishes for Mamta Didi. I really want to see her up and running. Point number one. Point number two, Anirban ji was saying just now that no, it was no conspiracy. I still remember as soon as Mamta Didi got hurt, she was giving bites after bites to various media channels and saying that I have been attacked by 4 or 5 people. मेरा पैर कुचल दिया, I got attacked, your chest is hurting, my foot is paining, I have got swelling on my foot. These are her official statement. Now, if you're saying a door, her car door was slammed at her, and she was under shock and she gave this statement. No, this is not fair. She happens to be a very responsible politician.
No, but even the Trinamool Congress has followed that up, claiming a conspiracy. The Trinamool Congress has followed that up.
So
it's not a in the moment thing, right? Am I wrong? Am I wrong, Namrata, when I say that the Trinamool Congress has gone to the election commission while claiming there could be a conspiracy? It was not in the moment, right?
Yeah. See. I would like to say here something. If you if you see. Looking back in the history, you'll see many times women politicians during her campaign, they are the victim of this sort of conspiracy. Mayawati, then we will see the Uma Bharti. So we can't totally, abolish or set off this fact that this is not the conspiracy. Only the investigation will say. But,
no, but
if a leader like Mamata Banerjee, see, I didn't speak.
Then how come that report which has been submitted to EC by TMC doesn't have the mention of those 4 or 5 people?
Please allow me to speak.
No. But how come that report doesn't talk about those 4 or 5 attackers? It talks about a huge crowd present there, but doesn't speak about those 4 or 5 attackers.
When Air India flight was hijacked,
can you explain this? No, can you explain this? Can you explain this? And who's going to gain by attacking Mamata Banerjee? Tell me. Mamata Didi is the one. I'm sorry, she's a woman, 65-year-old. I respect her as a woman. But who's going to gain out of all this tamasha? It is Mamata Didi who can play victim card, women card, sympathy card, all of that. So how can Mamata Didi or the TMC cadre come out and say that she has been attacked by BJP? Did you all have any evidence in hand before even opening your mouth and blaming BJP directly? No, you can't do that. I'm sorry, you can't do that. You just came out and Mamata Didi, Mamata Didi can't come out and say that I've been attacked by BJP. And what was the cadre doing there? My question is, what was the cadre doing there?
Not just the cadre, not just the cadre, not just the cadre, not just the cadre, not just the cadre. Okay, Namrata and Mamta, it's not just the cadre, right? It's not just the cadre, right? Ask Shantanu Gupta. Let Shantanu Gupta will come in now. Shantanu Gupta will now come in with Mr. Rupam Banerjee. I'll ask Mr. Rupam Banerjee. You ask Mr. Rupam Banerjee, even senior journalists have many questions about this. No, you ask Mr. Rupam Banerjee. You ask Mr. Rupam Banerjee. Now the beauty of this entire situation is, you know, the tricky part is, right? The tricky part is, Mr. Rupam Banerjee, it's in an area where nobody can say anything or can conclude on any aspect of what really happened. Rupam Banerjee, how do you read it as a senior journalist?
You see, when the state government has given a report that it's an accident, one must accept that. But even if it was an attack, I want to point out a very serious matter. It's a huge lapse on security. See, the car was moving very slowly and he was traveling in a bulletproof car. Do you have an idea of the weight of that door? If it touches you, it will hurt you. 10 gauge of steel are put into that gate. And see, first of all, should not have been allowed to stand on the footbed like this with folded hands in the evening. That's a huge security lapse, and I was told that the security in charge of the chief minister, they did not communicate with the district authorities or the returning officers about their visit trip. Number 2, she is the chief minister. Do not forget this. And she is also a Z plus category security. How can you take such risk? Tell me, in an evening gathering where large number of people, can you do that? It's absolutely callousness on the part of our security. They must be brought into book for this mistake. It could have been very serious. Had the car been slightly speed, it could have been fatal. That kind of attack by a bulletproof door.
Yeah, I agree with you on the weight of the bulletproof door. No, I agree with you on the weight of the bulletproof door. And Shantanu Gupta, you know, whatever happened, right? Shantanu, okay, I think his link is frozen there. Shantanu's link is frozen. So let Pathikrit respond. Pathikrit can respond. Yeah, I think we lost the link with Shantanu there. Yeah, Pathikrit is responding. Yeah, Pathikrit.
Niranjan, first of all, I wish speedy recovery to the Honorable Chief Minister. Look, the predicament of TMC is this. You know, if they had stuck to the sympathy theory, it would have actually given them a lot of traction. If you see what is being circulated in the social media, it does not seem that they have got the kind of sympathy which they were expecting.
No, I think anybody can say anything on social media. Let's not go by social media. You know, people say a lot of nonsense on social media. Right? Don't go by that at all.
I'll tell you one thing.
Don't go by that at all.
The other predicament of TMC is that it is very difficult for them to name anybody of Nandigram. If they name anybody of Nandigram, then it could have a real problem so far as Nandigram's voters are concerned, because they will think, why are you blaming us? Because it can't happen that 5 people actually attacked her, if at all it is like that.
No, in one of the news conferences the next day, Pathikrit, I want to put it on record. I remember I heard it myself firsthand, and I'm sure the soundbite is somewhere there, Suparno. In one of the news conferences, one top Trinamool Congress leader said that your party had specific reports or inputs about outsiders being brought into Nandigram and also linked it to this particular attack. It's on record.
No, but did we see anybody?
It is on record. Now, the irony is the aftermath of this. The irony is the aftermath of this injury is being used for politics. Am I wrong when I say that? The aftermath of the injury is being used for politics.
I would like to point out one thing.
Even Rupam Banerjee agrees. Yeah. Anirban wants to come in.
Blaming the Prime Minister straight away for this particular accident.
Yes, regarding
unimaginably bizarre.
Regarding this import of outsiders.
Anirban and Shantanu.
Regarding this import of outsiders, I would just like to remind you about one thing.
Anirban and Shantanu.
Yeah, I would like to remind you of one thing. Before the 2019 general elections, it was Bharati Ghosh, the BJP leader, who had on camera said, I'll bring goons from Uttar Pradesh She had said this on camera, I'll bring goons from Uttar Pradesh and beat you up. This is what she said on camera, remember that. And there are many
When she
cars,
was with
those
you,
tableau cars of the BJP.
She had all
whose
the
number
virtues.
plates are of Uttar
Talk
Pradesh.
about where are
They have
those
not
5
only
men?
brought in
Where are those
outsider
5 men?
goons, but they have
Niranjan,
also brought in
Niranjan,
outsider cars.
Niranjan,
They are importing
Niranjan,
cars
those
from
5
other
men
states to
came.
campaign in West Bengal.
CM had his own
So
security.
therefore, this is a very
CM had his
basic
own
modus
security.
operandi of the
CM
BJP
had
to import
Z plus
goons
security.
from other
There was
states,
local media,
to import cars
there was
from other
national
states,
media.
to import leaders
None of
from
the
other
cameras,
states.
there are thousands
Because
of
they have
mobile
got
cameras.
more
There
leaders
was
in
thousands
West
of
Bengal.
mobile cameras.
They have not got
None of the
many supporters
cameras
in West
captured
Bengal.
those 5
Their
men.
organization in West Bengal is weak.
This is
They have
a
to
ghostly
depend
story.
completely on Uttar Pradesh
Niranjan,
or
this is a
Jharkhand
ghostly
or Bihar
story.
or Delhi or
Those 5
Gujarat
men came from thin
run
air.
their
Those
organization
5
in Bengal.
men vanished in thin
So
air.
therefore,
None
it
of
will
the
be of
cameras
no
captured
surprise
them.
to anyone.
None of the media
If an
cameras captured
outsider-
them.
if an
None of the
outsider
security cameras
local
captured them.
element of the
Blew and
BJP
led by your
is
goons.
now
As the
embarrassment.
chief
Have you
secretary.
forgotten the case of that 85-year-old lady
State government
Arrest
who
her.
was
doesn't
beaten
mention
up
it.
brutally by your goons, by
Watch that
TMC
video of
goons.
Bharati
The
Take
chief
it off.
secretary.
She was threatening
Don't talk
people of West
don't
Bengal
talk
about beating them up with goons imported from Uttar Pradesh. This is on camera. This is on record. Bharati
See,
Ghosh
Anirban,
was your
Anirban,
MP
Anirban,
candidate
Anirban.
from Ghatal.
Anirban,
2019. Let
can
me
you allow
refresh your
someone
memory
just
for
to
that
speak?
matter.
Why don't you record your voice and send voice packets, right? See, those 5 men
ahead,
came
go
and
ahead.
those 5 men left. There were local media, there were national media, there were CM security, there's Z plus security. None of the people saw those 5 men. They came from thin air, they vanished in thin air. And now in the embarrassment, the state government also has to say there was no 5 men theory which Mamata Banerjee was trying to say. And very interestingly, after the incident, if any attack happens on a chief minister, she will be cordoned off and taken away. With an open door, she gave a 5-6 minutes media bite. Can you imagine that? A CM is attacked by 5 people as per
There
her,
was
and
a
she opened the
massive
car door
security
and she's
lapse.
given a media bite.
Have you not
She's
heard
given
the
a media
press
bite.
conferences?
Mr. Prashant Kishore,
There was
Mr.
a
Prashant
massive
Kishore, your
security
trick is
lapse
going
thanks to the
funny.
Election Commission.
Mr. Prashant
Thanks
Kishore,
to
your
the
trick
biased
is looking
election
funny
All
now.
the SOPs.
There was a
Invent
massive
better tricks,
security
Mr.
lapse.
Prashant
I have
Kishore.
to. I have to end the debate. I have to end the debate. I'm running out of time, but I'll give the Trinamool Congress spokesperson the last word because he's been sitting silently. He's been sitting silently a lot. You think? Let me ask him the last question. I'll give him the last 30 seconds. Suparno, you think? You know, there was an injury. There was an injury.
Now they have failed miserably.
Just hear me out, please. Hear me out, please. I'm saying there was an injury, but do you think all sides, your party included, are using the aftermath of the injury for politics or for political gains by throwing muck at each other? Sans proof, of course.
They are
My question was to Sir Suparno Maitra. Let Suparno Maitra have the last word. 30 seconds.
Now,
I will tell you, if anything happens, Didi is loved not only by the All India Trinamool Congress cadres and the leadership, but people at large in Bengal. So if anything happens to or could have happened to her, then the people of our party and the people of Bengal have every reason to be concerned and find out what has happened to her. But as a response, I would completely agree with you. The Bharatiya Janata Party has been, I would say, they have jumped the gun, and they thought that somebody is blaming them. So Kailash Vijayvargiya
you have started jumping the gun by blaming the Honorable
all
Prime
have
Minister for this accident.
without finding out
This is ridiculous.
I think all sides jumped the gun. Suparno, I think in all fairness, I think all sides jumped the gun. Let's be honest about it. Let's be honest about it. All sides jumped the gun.
For this.
Nikhil Prasoon, Pathikrit Pain, Shantanu Gupta, Mamta Kale, Suparno Maitra, Anirban, Namrata and Mr. Rupam Banerjee. Thank you for joining us on the debate. Arnav will be back tomorrow with the Sunday debate. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.